Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you another must-have accessory for the Google Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro, and that is the Whitestone dome glass. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that I swear by these screen protectors. They are the best glass screen protectors you can get. And we're also going to see how well they do with the fingerprint sensor after they are installed. So here I have one for my Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. I'm going to install them. I'm not going to do a step-by-step tutorial. They have one of their own that I will link in the description so you can install it and know how to do it. But I've done this enough times where I know pretty much what I'm doing. So let's go ahead, install them both, and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so the screen protectors are installed now. They feel great, but I will always give it to you straight. The quality on the plastic for the installer is lower than previous years. It was even lower than just 6 months ago when I did on the Fold 3. I don't know if this is a permanent thing for Whitestone or if this is because I did get it when I was a prototype. Just letting you know, that is one thing that has me a little worried. I will reach out to them, I'll ask them about it and leave any comments in the description. But the reason why the plastic needs to be so good is because if it falls off slightly on one of the four corners that it's attached while you're rubbing alcohol on it, while you're cleaning it up, while you're putting the tape so you make sure there's no lint on there, any of those steps, if it knocks it out, the liquid is going to go one way or another, which really sucks because I went through 2 bottles trying to get this just right. Even the second time when I did it, it had a little air bubble because of the mishap. So just note that you do have to be very careful doing it, which when knowing that on the Pro, after I did the 6, the Pro was perfect, simple and easy. I had to be a lot more careful than I normally am when doing this, so just to note. Now, what about the fingerprint scanner? Well, it's gonna be just the same as the normal Pixel is, so no problem on that. That basically just put it on and off. Now you do have to re-register it, so you do have to go to your settings, you have to go to your security, and you're going to re-register your fingerprint unlock. And once that's done, it will work just fine. The other thing you're gonna wanna note is on the display section, you're gonna swipe all the way to the bottom and make sure you increase your touchscreen sensitivity so that the screen protector will be known by the phone and then you will have a perfect experience. So yeah guys, that was my experience with Whitestone Dome Glass. Would I still recommend it even with the installer? Yes, the quality is just really good. Again, I've done this so many times, so I felt confident, but man, you really do have to be more careful in terms of having it installed on there. I don't know if it is because of pre-launch. I will ask them and let you know in the description down below, but the quality of the glass itself and overall experience with this is still second to none. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.